Hey everyone, it's Justin. Thank you for watching and welcome to my house. That's Justin's house. In this video, I'm back in data loss prevention incident response, and the thing I had left to show you in this application is the end user portal. So I'm logged in as Stella Piper, and I want to spend a little bit more time on the end user portal than I did in my assessment video. So I'm going to navigate to the data loss prevention end user portal. I just want to highlight that this is rare for an application in ServiceNow to have a dedicated portal for end users. I think I've seen it for risk. I've seen it for, well, risk actually is the only one I've seen it for. Risk, the risk work portal where you go in and complete assessments. So for data loss prevention, part of security operations, your end users can be assigned incidents and they can be assigned assessments. So what is going on behind the scenes is this user is being redirected to the workspace, and the DLP workspace is only showing a list view of my DLP incidents. And that's kind of what the magic behind the, we'll use the air quotes, portal is for these end users. And Stella has DLP 000001 assigned to her from my demo data set. And if she clicks on this incident, she can see a couple of things. Now, if you've watched the other video where I demo an assessment, you saw me go in and actually complete an assessment, but I skipped over everything else. I didn't show anything else in this portal. So we're going to hide that for this particular video and show that these are the details for Stella when she's looking at this particular incident in data loss prevention. Notice that everything, almost everything, is read only. So she can't come in here and change anything about this incident other than adding additional comments, whether she does that here to add additional comments or here to add comments like you normally would in a workspace. So that's the extent of what she can do. Now she can see the details of it, all the details that we'd be able to see, and of course, as you've seen in my other videos, if I click on this additional details, nothing comes up, so I still don't know the purpose of that particular tab yet. If I find out, I will let you know. And she can collapse the details, and that's about it pretty much here. Oh, and browse, so you can put in an attachment. My head's kind of in front of it, but you can see here attachment. She can actually add an attachment to the particular incident. Now, there are two UI actions at the very top where she can say, hey, this is a false positive, or it's the wrong owner. It isn't Stella Piper. So not on this one, but another one, it actually shows the file permissions over here on this little field. And there's a couple of users. There's an owner, there's a reader or a viewer, and an editor, I think. And so she could, in theory, come in here and say, well, the consumer complaints April file, yeah, I'm the owner, but so-and-so manages that. And if she wanted to do that, she could come up here and just say, hey, report wrong owner. And I want to suggest that Abraham Lincoln is the owner of that particular file, and report that and put the comments in there. And then this will be marked as responded. She can also say, hey, this is a false positive, and put in some comments and report that as a false positive. So for now, in data loss prevention, that is the end user portal. That's the extent of it that I'm aware of. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, or share it with somebody who you think might be interested in taking their data loss prevention incidents and getting some end user interaction and an auditable history trail, assignments and assessments associated with those data loss prevention incidents. Until next time, don't forget to always be learning.